All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm excited for these next few videos that are going to be coming on up. We are officially diving into our real triangle congruency proofs. How to prove that two triangles are congruent by our 5 methodologies for proving triangles are congruent. So far, we have learned just about side angle side to show that two sides and the included angle are congruent in two triangles. That is enough information to prove that two triangles are congruent. So what do we know in this proof? We currently know that BC is congruent to DA, but they're also parallel to one another there. So what are the S's you're going to see over here? That's going to just show that that's the side that we're going to be using in side angle side. Remember, the goal of this video is to use side angle side. There is not going to be any questions about that. We want to prove these two triangles are congruent. So what's my number one look for? My number one look for is to use a reflexive property when possible. Look for shared sides. So what do we see here? I see that AC is congruent to itself, all right? I see AC is congruent to itself. But what else do I also know? Well, I also know that parallel lines are in the picture. And what do we do all through parallel lines being cut by a transversal? Well, here's my parallel lines. AC is my transversal. Where's the angle in between? Side, angle, and side. So since these two lines are parallel, these two angles are going to be congruent. But the question is, why? Side, angle, side. What are the angles? Alternate interior angles. Opposite sides of the transversal, right? Inside of the lines that are parallel. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we start side, angle, side, side, angle, side. Let's put it into the proof. So what is the angle? BCA is congruent to DAC. Again, alternate interior angles are congruent when the lines are parallel. AC is congruent to itself. That's our number one look for, folks. We turn it around because it matches up A to C and C to A in these two triangles. Corresponding parts, order matters, folks, order matters. Reflexive property, sorry about the bell. Reflexive property, so now what did we show? Side, angle, side. That's enough information to prove that these two triangles are congruent. So how do we close it up? Well, what did we use? We used the side, angle, side congruency theorem.